Way they go. Sound value from the outside is Shimmer Joe. Run game is racing in third, rushing up center can Prince Carlo. Dancing Slew running 6 in the middle and moving up new chapter down in 8 is Aloha rushing up Shifty and moving up by Daryl is entering number 11 Strong Friend and number 5 Primavera rising up Taste and See. Rounding the far turn, Shimar Joe Sound Value. Grand Game is racing third by a length and a half. Last 450 meters more to run. At still Shimar Joe by a length and a half. Sound Value. Grand Game is racing in third. And moving up by the roll is Dancing Slew New Chapter Aloha. With the last 200 meters more to run, Shimar Joe. Sound Value is on the outside. Aloha is moving up by the roll. Sound Value, Shimar Joe. Aloha is running down on the inside. Sound Value, Aloha, and finally it's going to be Sound Value, Aloha, Shimar Joe, Grand Game, Dagger Look, and Dancing Slew for your Super sa East. Then comes Shifty, Primavera, New Chapter, Devil in Disguise,